Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to allow contacts access on Instagram. Whether you're setting up a new account or just trying to reconnect with people you know, this quick guide will help you turn on contact access easily and safely. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Settings app on your phone. This is where all your device's permissions and app controls are located. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Apps. In your list of apps, look for Instagram. You can usually find it by scrolling alphabetically, or by using the search bar at the top of your screen. When you find Instagram, tap on it to open its settings page. Next, select Permissions. This is where you can manage what data and features Instagram can use on your device. These include things like your camera, storage, location, and of course your contacts. Now tap on Contacts. This is the specific permission that allows Instagram to access your phone's contact list. This helps the app recommend people you might know, so you can easily follow friends or family already using the platform. At this point, you'll see a few options. Choose Allow to enable contact access. Once selected, Instagram will be able to read your contact list to find matches with other users. That's it. You've now allowed contacts access on Instagram. It's a quick process that takes less than a minute but makes connecting with people much easier. If at any time you want to change this setting, you can return to the same permissions screen and select Don't Allow. Your contacts will no longer sync automatically, and Instagram will stop using that information. Remember, managing app permissions gives you full control over your privacy and how apps interact with your data. Thanks for watching.